show you my walk to the post office. This is what we do now when we go take orders. So there's the house. Isn't that a cool door? And there's the church we live right across from. And maybe we'll get to see some cats. And it's a pretty gloomy day. It is bad rain. Not bad. I mean, it was pretty severe. Lots of lightning and thunder last night. I'm gonna walk across the street. And I'm hoping there's the cool church. Isn't that cool? I love this tree. I'm hoping that I get to show you the post office, because the post office is mighty cool. Isn't this cool right here? Oh, I know this one, everything's cool, but it's very, to me, interesting. And I'm hoping we get to see some cats. There's a ton of cats around here. Some people are happy with them, some people are not so happy with them. But I bet you we don't have a lot of mice. That's all I'm saying. I love all the Halloween decorations. Look at that. It's a glorious courthouse. I'm not kidding. It is like so cool on the inside. It is an amazing post office, which I hope I can show you. So here, this 1937. That's when this was built, right? That's crazy. Hi. I'm making a video for a friend of mine because I think it's such a crazy, great post office.
It is cool, isn't it?
Yeah. Let me show you this. These here. This is so amazing. Look at this. These little stars here. Isn't that cool? This, and it smells great too. It smells like an old post office would. You imagine old books in a library. To me, this is what libraries are supposed to smell like. Anyway, this is the back door. Look at this. Here's our little town. I love this town. I love it so much. So yesterday I walked to the stained glass store, shop, I guess is better. I walked to the stained glass shop. Of course, you know, people aren't going to be mean necessarily out the gate, right? Hi. Good, thanks. How are you?
Pretty good.
I love these sunflowers right there. It makes my walk happy. So this is on the way back. I think they're making some sort of Halloween thing, but they have really lovely flowers in their front yard. And there's the glorious courthouse. I love that courthouse. So this is the house that has a bunch of cats. I don't know if there's any right here. Nope. Oh yeah, there's one. Hi, kitty. 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 Bye, kitty. That cat usually has like 20 cats sitting out on its porch. Look at these flowers. I love these flowers so much. Look at the glorious flowers right here. I can't believe they're still blooming too. I mean, it's kind of cold today. Let's see, it's 3 minutes so far from the post office, so it takes me a couple minutes to get there. Let's see here. And this house, this is such a glorious house. I love it. I love it. It's so crazy cool. There's so much. Like, turn around, every little thing. I keep thinking, oh, and then all of a sudden I'm surprised by something. My nose is running because it's a little bit chilly. Oh, goodness. And this house, I think, is really lovely. He has a great garden, and it's interesting to me. So there's the church. I peeked in. I haven't met anybody yet. That's interesting. Sort of dark to me. Anyway, there's our house right there. There's the street. Look at that little tree over here, how it's starting to turn right there. So, as far as the soap goes, look at that tree. Oh my gosh, I love it. I absolutely love it. Somebody parked their car in my yard. Just kidding. So, as far as Sorcery soap goes, we're going to continue doing what we're doing, but we have lots of ideas and lots of things that we have to sort of implement. And I don't really want to talk about too much of it yet. So, here, let's do this. Okay, so let's have a chat. So we're back 6 minutes. So what is it? It took me, I could have walked it faster, but let's say 6 minutes there and back, 12 minutes to the post office. So, I'm totally focused on somebody else's house. Nobody lives there yet, so I guess it doesn't matter. So here's the thing. I have so many ideas, and I'm just thinking I would like some more coffee and to sit and dream for a minute, because I feel like I haven't had, well, I say I haven't had, I've tried to create that opportunity just to sit and dream and just to imagine and all those things. And we've just come through a pretty big shift, a really big change in this last, I feel like I went through a portal, weirdly. And look at this. This is the view. I love this. I know some people don't think it's cool to live across from the church, but I mean, if living across the street from anything, would it be better to live across the street from a bar where crazy shenanigans go on? I think it's cool to live across the street. At least people are trying, right? Anyway, so hang on just a second and you can see me. Today feels like I never really woke up. So, but today's the day. I just wanted you to see where we went to the post office. Where Jeff goes some days, I go some days. He went the other day, it was raining. It's been raining on and off all week, which is the change of season here. It's all magic. You know, you want to think it's not. It's all magic. Every bit of it in my mind. So that's what I'm trying to do, is get in touch with my new magic, my new form of magic here, because it's different. And I wanted to show you some of the stuff that goes on in my world. So I'm not going to go on because I could. I don't really have anything to say. But, oh, I see a cat. Okay, here we go.